so hard.
Is that white flag you waving there? Give it up already.
Y'all are singing my favorite song, really. Thank you very much. It is truly a pleasure to be back here. It really, really is. Fresh off my glorious defeat of hotshot Darius Douglas, single-handedly crushing him. With one maneuver, and that is the Iron Claw, baby. The Golden Jam. Sure was cute watching him whip out here at the end of the night and try to act tough. Some of y'all are giving me heat thinking we ran away at the end of the night. That's not true. That's not true. We were actually sparing them for another day, and y'all are about to find that out tonight. Count on it, count on it. You know what? I'm so excited to get things going here. Let's go ahead and bring out our first guest of the evening. You know you love this man. He's a local hero and kind of a big deal. He hails from right here in Wasilla, Alaska. He stands 6 feet tall. He is the electric redneck, Lightning!
First off, Johnny, I'd like to congratulate you on your tremendous victory over Darius Douglas. Sorry I couldn't be here. You see, I was down in Ferguson, Missouri, helping out my fellow patriotic, shop-owning Americans. Speaking of thievery, last time Calvin James and I met in this ring, he stole my thunder when he stole that belt right out of my hands. Well, I just got one thing to say to you, Calvin. You better watch your front, you better watch your back. Just lightning can strike anytime, anywhere.
And introducing next, AK Lightning's opponent, making his NFWA Alaska debut. He comes all the way from Berlin, Germany. He is the German juggernaut, Schweizenhändler!
Nice cop.
Keep him back.
Let's go out and meet the girl. Not wrong. You should be doing that. Move out of here. There's children, friend. Check it again. I don't need to look for it out there.
I got this joker. Bring him down. You better watch out, buddy. 'Cause I'm coming for you.